this is Michael's Ford Focus ST, and we are about to do an exhaust on it. That's the factory exhaust. He's about to start it up, do a before and after of what it sounds like. Start her up. Putting her on the lift. Here, yeah, check it real quick. Is that the exhaust?
This is, excuse my tools for work.
Oh, Becky.
That one on?
Hell yeah. So this tin can right there ain't gonna be there no more. Alright, so how far does this come up here?
Right here.
So it's...
I'm gonna take it off there. This is where my resonator used to be, but I cut it out.
Hell yeah. You leaving this pipe there? No, you taking it out?
Yeah, this whole thing. So what we gotta do is we gotta cut it with a sawzall right here. And then I didn't end up getting those other bushings, so I'm gonna put these on and we'll put the bushings on later. But we're gonna cut it with a sawzall here. It's probably a little warm. Cut it here. Take the hanger here, and then there's another hanger up here somewhere.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, and then we'll pull it, kind of work it, pull it out that way. You gotta take this cross member off, and this will all come off straight down one piece.
Hell yeah.
I think that's the 15 right there.
We got a sawzall here?
Yeah, don't want the car.
Sweet. You left it in the trunk.
You got a ladder?
Bro. Next mod, coilovers. I got some WD-40 in the truck. I think that might help break it loose. There we go.
I guess let's go ahead and chop it right here.
Alright. You need me to hold anything or you got it?
I'm gonna come hold it back here behind me so it doesn't fall and hit me in the head.
No, I'm good.
Just maybe hold it right there.
No. That was cool. Aye!
Welded.
Oh, shit. Hello. Let me set you down real quick. Whew. This thing's heavy.
Yeah. Weight reduction blood.
You want to say hi to the vlog? Okay. look at all this extra space for activities. You just getting kind of free tight here? So I goofed a little bit. I had the GoPro on picture mode, so every time I'd click to record, it took a picture instead. But we've got everything hung up. The new exhaust looks fucking great. New exhaust looks great. So now we just gotta tighten her down.
I still want to, I want to see if we can't bend that heat shield.
Alright.
We gotta get these bad boys too.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that's how it goes.
No, that's good.
I built my washer.
Let's take a look at this.
Take a look at this bad
Let's
boy.
get some cinematics ready.
So what we did here, we put some 12-inch tires on it, gave it a nice blue paint job, and then we, that's it. I tried. I didn't know what
Let's
else.
get some cinematics real quick. Just. Oh shit! Beauty. That's a nice power washer. Hey, you should get those little soap things that go on the end.
It has a soap dispenser right here.
Oh. You're fucking lying.
Oh no. Yeah, well you put soap. Oh shit.
You put soap in it and it'll run soap through it?
Uh-huh.
Dude.
I don't know if this thing comes with oil. That's my thing. It looks like it.
Well, yeah. I know where I'm coming to wash my cars from now on.
Shit, same.
Yeah. Does it say anything about having oil?
I don't know.
Kiefer probably charges us more to wash cars here than the car wash would.
Yeah, well, I haven't even given you the bill for the lift yet.
Nice and tit.
Nice and tit.
You already tightened all the. Oh yeah.
Well, I knew when I'm an idiot.
Unboxing the tips.
Dude, can I touch your tip?
Oh please.
Oh. Oh, Becky. Oh, Becky. I love me some good tips.
It's a little Predator
212 or whatever.
212cc horsepower. Yeah.
Hey, we got to get you doing this thing. And I think you need to deflate your tire and slide this back over a bit.
Yeah, that's why I haven't let anyone ride.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I want it.
Yeah.
Sorry, neighbors. It sounds good.
What's up, man? Hey, I like my new car. Hell yeah, dude, this thing's a good boy.
It's fun.
You need to tighten that paper or something.
No, okay, the thing is you tighten it, then it grips the wheel, and then you like have it dragging, so it just doesn't have good brakes.
That thing's fun.
It is.
I need one in my life.
You want to drop her down, start her up?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll go back and grab it back.
Oh yeah, I set that there. Yeah.
It's so weird that one side. I wonder.
Velociraptor. Right? Yeah. Woo!